paano ba? Yan, hopefully the win that we got today gave us confidence for the next game, which is on Sunday against Lasal. And I hope everyone, all of us will be ready on that day. Yan lang naman. After this game, syempre, we have to move on and on to the next.
Anong nasabi mo kay Kim ngayon? Medyo siya, closer.
What game?
Si Kim, closer.
Dami niya ng third set.
Syempre, lagi namang ready si Kim eh. Syempre, siya naman talaga yung, well, since second round, lagi na rin siyang pinapala. Siguro, Kim's role and Kim's really adjusting on her role. Parang, yun kasi talaga, parang kailangan talaga ni Kim na laging ready. Siya talaga yung off the bench lagi di ba? Hindi naman siya all the time na first six and then she delivers. So we're really happy for Kim also and we're really proud talaga na ganun yung ginagawa niya. But I hope maging stepping stone or ni Kim to para mag-gain niya pa yung confidence na kailangan niya for mga upcoming tournaments sana.
Gaston sisters.
Yeah, they're so cute, di ba? Yun talaga yung sinabi ko. Hindi, super jolly kasi nung dalawang yun, parang they don't know na they're playing. I mean, they're focused, of course. They're focused inside the court. But, you know, the feeling, yung nadadala nila na mood inside the court, it's, nakaka-influence talaga sa buong team. So, it's very light and I hope na magtuloy-tuloy yung performance nila. They're really, I think, doing good as far as ngayon pa lang din naman sila naglalaro. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy lang. Yeah, on Sunday, let's see each other on Sunday sa MOA, right? So, go back and train again and look for the things na we have to improve on and hopefully we'll be ready on Sunday.
Gigil ba kayo? Kasi tinala pa yung last round.
Siyempre, lagi namang andun yung gigil, andun yung excitement, andun yung but we really have to stay calm, stay focused, and stay happy inside and outside of the court.
Like, how important is it for the team to win on Sunday?
Well,
especially now na may parang twice to beat na kayo ngayon.
You know, every game is important naman. It's not, kahit anong team, a win is a win. So, but then we have to start on the little things before thinking of the bigger picture. So we have to siguro improve on the little things, the details inside the court. So para may mabigay kami sa laban ng Lasal.
So hindi niyo muna iniisip masyado yung final?
Hindi naman hindi need. Syempre lahat ng goals makapasok sa Final Four and we're happy na we have like twice to beat advantage. But every game we have to look talaga and stay focused muna sa isang game bago kami tumawid sa mga upcoming games.
Same?
Yay! Thank you!